Number 7. Now Toyota doesn't usually scream luxury motorhome, right? But the 2026 model they're dropping is like they finally listened to decades of campers whispering, please give us something rugged but comfortable, and affordable, and hybrid, and reliable. And Toyota said, alright, fine. Watch this. This thing looks like it grew out of the ground, smooth edges, a slightly muscular stance, and just enough futuristic flavor to make you wonder if it's judging your lifestyle choices. The newest hybrid powertrain is the star of the show. It's not the fastest thing on the planet, but it's a workhorse, whispering through forests, deserts, and mountain inclines with almost meditative efficiency. Inside, Toyota gave it one of their warmest interiors yet. It's like stepping into a tiny Zen lodge. Soft lighting, durable wood-tone surfaces, clever storage that seems to appear like hidden doors in an old mystery novel. The pricing lands in that sweet, reachable zone, enough technology to feel modern but not so much that you need a trust fund to turn the key. Compare it to previous Toyota campers and you'll feel it immediately. This one finally feels like a true motorhome, not just a converted van with big dreams. This feels intentional, confident, a gentle nudge into the future. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz 2026 Motorhome bonus pick. And then Mercedes strolls in, well, glides in, with that signature quiet confidence. Their 2026 motorhome feels like a luxury apartment politely attached to a chassis. Smooth, sculpted body, headlights like calm eyes, and a hybrid system that feels more like an orchestra than an engine. Off-road, oh, it handles it like someone rearranging cushions on a couch. Very elegant, very controlled. Mercedes basically made a motorhome that refuses to sweat. Step inside and it's like opening a door to a place you're pretty sure you can't afford, yet you're already imagining where your slippers would go. Plush seating, touchscreen panels that melt into the background when not in use, lighting that seems to understand your emotions better than some humans do. Compared to their past models, the 2026 version feels lighter, smoother, and more willing to run wild. It used to feel like Mercedes motorhomes wanted to be admired more than driven. This one wants adventure, just with soft blankets and an espresso machine on board. Number 5. Lexus 2026 Motorhome. Lexus rolled into 2026 with the calm energy of someone who knows they're about to surprise everyone. Their new motorhome feels like luxury took a road trip and realized camping is actually pretty fun. Visually, the exterior has those crisp Lexus lines, sleek, graceful, with a subtle, I do yoga at sunrise vibe. But don't mistake the elegance for fragility. The hybrid drivetrain underneath has enough muscle to pull through rough terrains while staying impressively quiet. It's the kind of quiet that makes you notice nature again, wind brushing trees, gravel ticking under tires. Inside, it's an oasis. Lexus interiors always feel like someone thought deeply about the meaning of comfort. The lounge area looks intentionally sculpted, with minimalist luxury. Everything glows softly, as if lit by a friendly constellation. Compared to older Lexus RV concepts, this one feels fully realized, a genuine luxury motorhome that doesn't just look good but lives well. Pricing sits squarely in the luxury league, but you're also getting something that feels built for people who like elegance but don't want to sacrifice adventure. Number 4. Volvo 2026 Motorhome. Volvo swung for innovation this year. Their 2026 motorhome almost looks like a Scandinavian cabin on wheels. Clean, calm, purposeful, the exterior design is geometric but warm, like someone carved it out of a block of modern simplicity. Volvo's hybrid system has always been rock solid, and here it delivers a beautiful balance, good range, strong torque, and that signature Volvo focus on stability. Even off-road, this thing feels composed, like it practiced every trail before you arrived. Inside, imagine a warm Nordic retreat. Pale woods, soft fabrics, open layouts that breathe. Every surface feels like it wants you to touch it, and every window is practically begging to frame a breathtaking view. Compared to past Volvo campers, this one is a revelation. The older versions were charming, sure, but this 2026 model is thoughtful, refined, and deeply functional. Pricing sits in the mid-premium tier, and honestly, it feels perfectly placed. Number 3. Prevost Liberty Coach 2026. Now we're entering the heavyweights. The Prevost Liberty coach has long been the gold standard for rolling luxury mansions, and 2026 might be their boldest year. This machine looks enormous yet suave, like a high-end hotel decided it wanted to see the world. The exterior has that unmistakable Prevost presence, broad, confident, almost royal imposture. The hybrid engine is a delight. It delivers raw strength without sounding like it's trying too hard. Off-road, well, you won't take this beast deep into the wilderness, but it can definitely handle remote campgrounds and uneven landscapes without drama. Inside, it's extravagance wrapped in practicality. Marble-like surfaces, sculpted LED ambient lighting, furniture that feels custom-built for comfort and durability. The bedroom is more luxurious than many stationary homes. Comparing it to older models, this feels more refined, lighter interiors, smarter systems, and a smoother ride. Pricing, very high, but that's the point. The Prevost Liberty coach isn't trying to be accessible, it's trying to be unforgettable. Number 2. Volkswagen 2026 Motorhome. Volkswagen is the unexpected charmer of 2026. They've always had a nostalgic hold on the camper world, and the new flagship motorhome feels like a love letter to their past mixed with a leap into tomorrow. The exterior echoes the iconic VW camper heritage but modernized. Clean lines, friendly front face, and a stance that feels inviting rather than intimidating. The hybrid powertrain is one of the most balanced in its class, delivering efficient travel without sacrificing capability. Where VW wins is personality. Inside, the 2026 motorhome has a cheerful energy. Smart modular layouts, clever multi-use furniture, pops of color paired with modern textures. It feels like a home that encourages creativity. Compared to older VW campers, this model is bigger, more capable, and more adaptable. It's still playful, still warm, but now it's genuinely competitive in the modern RV world. Pricing is refreshingly accessible for what it offers. Finally, number 1. Ferrari 2026 Motorhome. Yes, Ferrari. And now, our number 1 spot. The showstopper, the myth made real. Ferrari has finally stepped into the motorhome space, and the world is still trying to process it. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome is a masterpiece of motion. Sleek edges, aggressive stance, aerodynamic lines that make it look like it wants to outrun the horizon itself. It's not a race car, obviously, but you can feel Ferrari's DNA in every curve. The hybrid drivetrain is the most powerful of this entire list. It doesn't roar, it sings, a controlled, refined energy that makes long highway stretches feel like gliding over a page. Off-road isn't its strongest arena, but it handles rougher routes better than anyone expected. Inside is where Ferrari truly shocks you. They didn't go futuristic cold, they went elegant. Soft leather, dark accents, smart lighting, a sense of performance stitched into comfort. It's a traveling suite with a pulse. Compared to anything Ferrari has ever done, well, there's nothing to compare. This is their first real leap into motorhomes, and they aimed astonishingly high. Pricing. Let's just say if you have to ask, you're probably only visiting the showroom for fun. But as a symbol of ambition, innovation, and pure design passion, it earns the number 1 spot effortlessly. So there you have it, our complete look at the 2026 motorhome lineup, from Toyota's dependable charm all the way to Ferrari's audacious debut. If this is what 2026 looks like, then the future of road living is shaping up to be dazzling, adventurous, and more diverse than ever. And honestly, seeing all these brands, from the humble to the extravagant, step into the same arena shows how beautifully the world of travel is evolving. More choices, more creativity, more comfort, more ways to hit the open road and explore the world at your own rhythm. If you enjoyed this ride, make sure you drop a like, share it with your fellow road dreamers, and subscribe for more deep dives into the machines that shape our adventures. Until then, keep your wheels steady, your maps open, and your curiosity alive.